Hey guys, it's Kerry. Love all the big cats, elephants and giraffe. Jaguar. They are fearsome predators and will hunt anything from frogs, fish and reptiles to livestock, cows and deer. Jaguars are solitary animals. Males defend their range and only come together with females to mate. Breeding occurs throughout the year and females have up to 4 cubs which disperse after 2 years. Jaguars are competent climbers and will scale trees. They often use their vantage point amongst the branches to pounce on unsuspecting prey below. The jaguar can survive in many different habitats. They are normally found near water and prefer swampland or tropical rainforest. They also survive in forest, grassland and scrub. Leopards and jaguars look very similar. The leopards have similar rosettes to the jaguar, but the jaguar's rosettes have spots inside them, whereas the leopards don't. Florida panther. A genetic study of cougar mitochondrial DNA showed that it is a distinct subspecies. The puma or cougar. The pumas of Patagonia are the top predators in this South American region. They take what they want, including thousands of sheep each year. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Giraffe. They are probably the biggest pollinators in the world thanks to their great height. As they wander around feeding from the tops of trees, they inadvertently transfer genetic material on their muzzles from the flowers of one tree to those of another. Elephant. They are well known for living in matriarchal or female-led social groups. Even though they're well respected and revered by people throughout their ranges in Africa and South Asia, they are also feared because they can become aggressive and dangerous. Elephants are most dangerous during must. This is when the males experience increases in testosterone levels of a factor of 60 or more. The changes prepare them for competing for females and make them much more aggressive. This condition is more pronounced in Asian elephants. Elephants in must carry their heads and ears higher than normal and make a characteristic rumbling sound. A bull elephant in must can be extremely dangerous to anything that gets in its way. Cheetah. They are very light on their feet. They are rather like a mammalian racing car. The cheetah has stretched the standard feline body plan to the limit. Its long tail is half of the head and body length. It acts like a counterbalance, aiding high-speed maneuvering. The exceptionally long vertebral column has amazing flexibility as it flexes and straightens. This boosts the length of the stride. A high forehead and modified jaws gives a vice-like grip to throttle prey. Short, sharp canines are designed for bolting down meat, not severing the spinal cord as in big cats. Black panther is a general term for any melanistic big cat, which will generally be a black leopard or a black jaguar. In jaguars, the melanistic gene is dominant, so leopard black jaguars aren't too unusual, although they are generally more difficult to see and may spend more time in dark rainforest where they're better camouflaged than hunting by the water. The taxonomic status of captive black leopards and the extent of hybridization between different subspecies is uncertain. Therefore, coordinated breeding programs for black leopards do not exist in European and North American zoos. Black leopards occupy space needed for breeding of endangered leopard subspecies and are not kept within the North American species survival plan. Leopard, or Panthera pardus, is one of the 5 extant species in the genus Panthera, a member of the Felidae. It occurs in a wide range in sub-Saharan Africa, in small parts of Western and Central Asia, on the Indian subcontinent to Southeast and East Asia. This is the Amur leopard. Leopard populations are threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation and are declining in large parts of the global range. You are looking at an African leopard. Leopard species alive today are the African leopard, Indian leopard, Javan leopard, Arabian leopard, Anatolian or Persian leopard, and the Amur leopard. Tiger. If you are wondering about the bright orange fur with black stripes, their main prey is ungulates. Now these cannot detect the range of colours that we primates can. To an animal with comparatively poor vision, the cat's bold contrasting colours are much harder to pick out in the long grass. Tigers are semi-solitary hunters and depend on their cryptic appearance to ambush prey. A tiger's favourite way of taking down its prey is to lunge at the animal's neck and hold on tight with its powerful jaws. The prey will normally die from suffocation, but some might bleed out first if the tiger's canines sever an artery. Tigers have white spots surrounded by black fur on the back of their ears. It's been suggested that they act as false eyes to warn off their presence or discourage other species from attacking them from behind. Other theories suggest it helps tiger cubs follow their mother through tall grass. Tigers have night vision that is 6 times better than that of humans, which helps them hunt successfully in the dark. A tiger will mainly hunt pigs and deer, but is capable of taking prey larger than itself. Surviving tiger subspecies are the Siberian, South China, Sumatran, Indo-Chinese, Malayan, and Bengal tiger. White Bengal tiger is a large and powerful animal. It is not an albino, as they still carry some form of pigment that creates their fur colour, as some individuals are known to retain an orange tinge to their white-coloured fur. They have blue eyes rather than the green or yellow-coloured eyes of normal Bengal tigers. White lion. They have a rare recessive trait that causes their white skin coloration. They are not albinos. White lions have blue or gold eyes, black features on their nose, black rings around their eyes, and dark patches behind their ears. Male white lions may have white, blonde or pale hair in their manes and on the ends of their tails. White lions reach sexual maturity between the ages of 3 and 4. Most white lions are bred and born in captivity. Lion. Both sexes are polygamous and breed throughout the year, but females are usually restricted to the 1 or 2 adult males of their pride. Females are receptive to mating for 3 or 4 days within a widely variable reproductive cycle. During this time, a pair generally mates every 20 to 30 minutes. Such extended copulation not only stimulates ovulation in the female, but also secures paternity for the male by excluding other males. All male cats have a barbed penis which helps stimulate ovulation. Male cubs are expelled from the pride at about 3 years of age and become nomads until they are old enough to try and take over another pride, usually after the age of 5. Many adult males remain nomads for life. Mating opportunities for nomad males are rare, and competition between male lions to defend a pride's territory and mate with the pride's females is fierce. The genus Panthera includes leopards, jaguars and tigers as well as lions. The offspring of a lion and a tigress is called a liger. That of a tiger and a lioness is called a tigon. That of a leopard and a lioness, a lepon. The cat known as the mountain lion or puma is a New World member of the genus Puma and not part of the genus Panthera. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.